We have prepared this short video with three objectives in mind. Firstly, to give you an introduction to dunnhumby. Secondly, to share an insight into how we are helping global retailers grow their sales and profits. And thirdly, so you can see some specific products and services from our range of solutions. dunnhumby is a world leader in customer science and has pioneered the use of big data for retailers and brands for over 25 years. From our early days of working with Tesco and their club card in the 1990s, we have grown to working with over 75 leading retailers and over 800 million shoppers globally. Our clients today span fresh food and grocery, convenience stores and hypermarkets, fashion and electronic retailers, and physical stores to online businesses. We deliver proven results in driving sales and profits.
Imagine a world where consumers have inspiring, relevant, valuable experiences each and every time they shop. And imagine a world where retailers and brands can dramatically reduce the cost of untargeted, non-personalized marketing. At dunnhumby, we passionately believe that both of these outcomes can be achieved, improving customer lives and company results. Every second of the day, every day of the year, we're helping retailers and brands in more than 30 countries to effectively use big data and science to truly put customers first.
We believe that good business decisions start with data. Our philosophy is to liberate data from its day-to-day operational role and connect it to reveal a powerful single view of the customer. Our data solutions are comprised over 1 petabyte in data and process billions of records every day, integrating data sources as diverse as point of sale, loyalty card, bank, clickstream, social media, geolocation, behavioural and operational data. dunnhumby do this securely. We have a proven history of managing clients' data successfully and being a safe custodian of our clients' data. Our vision is to build the richest and most trusted customer data ecosystem in the world.
We need to cope with the new way of approaching the customer, with the marketing, delivery processes, but not only from a customer perspective, also the internal processes. dunnhumby is actually giving us insight, international experience, tools, competence to cope with this.
We've evidenced in studies that customer-centric companies perform better than others, with the top 25% delivering plus 3% banner sales and outperforming on market share by 7%. Through our data and science, we provide advanced insights using attitudinal, behavioural, as well as market and economic data. These provide granular performance diagnoses with both prescriptive and predictive recommendations at an enterprise, division, category, store and individual customer level. We have a full range of services covering customer knowledge, but now I'd like to focus on Future View. This helps leadership teams create market simulations for their businesses over a 5-year period.
FutureView is our customer science simulation which replicates any grocery market anywhere in the world. So we build out a representative population in that market in terms of where people are, incomes, household dynamics. We replicate the environment, whether that be the retail environment in terms of specific stores in that market, but also economic customer perceptions of those different retailers in that market. And then lastly, we apply our deep behavioural expertise of understanding customer behaviour to really understand how do people make choices of where to shop for their daily or weekly grocery needs.
Future View works on a timescale of up to 5 years. If you like, it's like wargaming all sorts of different scenarios that a retailer might face. For example, if a discounter enters their market, what might the impact on their sales and their competitor sales and the marketplace be? Or if there's a price war, what might the impact of that be on different retailers?
For us, it's a biggest advantage that dunnhumby knows deeply retail and it's focused only on the retail business, so that makes a big competitive advantage in our view.
Category optimization is a truly unique combination of strategic tools, software products and insight reports for retailers and their commercial and marketing teams. This powerful end-to-end toolkit helps you make better decisions for customers across category strategies, investment and execution, and typically delivers between 2 and 5% sales growth. We ensure retailers build and execute powerful category plans across the broadest range of marketing levers, including price, promotions, innovation, own label and communications. dunnhumby's category optimization work is delivered through a combination of consulting and self-service tools, each of which empowers retailers and manufacturers to embed the customer in day-to-day decision making. Now I'd like to focus on shelf review.
Category owners know that having the right range of products on shelf makes or breaks retail profitability. Remove the wrong products and sales plummet. Take away ones that aren't core to your customers' actual purchasing behavior, and you drive savings and create a simpler, better shopping experience for customers. dunnhumby Shelf Review unlocks the power of your customers' purchasing data to take the guesswork away and guarantees significant and measurable returns. It typically gives an uplift in sales of between 2% and 15%.
Shelf review takes into account how a product performs from a sales and customer perspective, but it also looks at different customer needs and it creates a balance between the two to define what the ultimate assortment should be. These need states and key requirements we then use to build out a category level customer decision hierarchy. The result for the customer is that they can find what they want and they can get the products that they need. What that will lead to for the retailer is increased spend per visit, and increased brand and store loyalty, which has massive benefits in terms of increasing the profitability of the retailer.
And in a slightly different direction, but equally important to the category optimization suite of products, is performance diagnosis.
dunnhumby Performance Diagnosis allows you to understand the root cause of category performance issues thanks to its machine learning capability. It helps retailers save time by rapidly identifying the issue and the diagnosis, and then helping you take more effective action as a result.
We live in an age of data. The challenge isn't about getting more data, it's about how you use the data you've got more efficiently. That's why here at dunnhumby we make sure that we help retailers make sense of what they've got and turn that into decisions quickly and efficiently.
I think the most impressive aspect of performance diagnosis is really the science that powers it. This is based on machine learning algorithms that really do make the complex simple.
Teams receive personalized alerts to enable rapid issue resolution across the whole category management spectrum, including channel, format, customer groups, and regions. This quickly becomes a standard working practice across all categories, giving leadership the confidence of a consistent, thorough, and immediate process to drive improved category management.
Since working with dunnhumby, we have started to see a shift in price perception in our customers' minds, which is really exciting.
Since we started at dunnhumby, we've been helping retailers to create relevant and personal customer experiences. We have an uncompromising belief that putting the customer first will help retailers win, and we apply that philosophy to create world-leading customer experiences for our retail partners. At the heart of our customer engagement engine is the science. We focus on prediction science, and for every single customer, we predict how likely they are to buy every single product. We run over 6 billion scores a day to achieve that. We work closely with our retail partners to then create customer-facing propositions based on that science. We always start by focusing on customer need, such as help me find value, or help me shop faster, or something a bit more inspirational like help me find new products. We have created propositions across all the channels. We tend to talk about 5 key channels which we execute in. Direct communications as part of a CRM program, such as email, direct mail or coupon at till. On-site digital recommendations which we serve on e-commerce platforms or digital assets. Digital advertising which we deliver on-site or off-site via Sociomantic. In and out store media and advocacy campaigns delivered through our Buzz platform. Through the years, we have consistently seen that by focusing on customer relevancy, we can drive amazing results. For example, we deliver 5% basket uplift through our relevant promotions email and over 1% basket uplift through our Have You Forgotten proposition delivered via an e-commerce platform.
dunnhumby is helping us really understand what is important for the customers. We are much more focused on the customer and really getting the results of it.
Our price and promotions toolkit is a modular framework of methodologies and tools powered by leading customer science. Our data scientists process, understand and model the market drivers that influence shopper behaviour around pricing and promotions using unified statistical models and advanced regression analysis techniques. Our 2,000 customer science experts use these outputs to deliver results via 6 key elements: price and promotions health check, promotions analytics, rules-based pricing, everyday optimisation, promotions forecasting and promotional workflow planning. Here's Howard Langer introducing some of our solutions within the Price and Promotions Toolkit.
Price and promotions is a really important area for retailers, but we know it can be tricky. We would tend to start with a pricing health check and understand with a retailer where they are in their price and promotions capability. If it turns out that the main area is in promotions, then we could look at promotions analytics, which is our tool to understand what promotions have worked in the past and which ones haven't. If it's pricing that you want to focus on, we have our world-class tool PriceStrat, and that helps you set day in, day out pricing. The aim here is to have great prices at the shelf that customers can trust, to grow you margin and to also grow you loyalty. Collectively, this is a highly profitable area. Sales uplifts can easily be between 1% and 5% and maybe even more.
I would definitely recommend dunnhumby to others. It's great to have a partner to build your strategies on and make sure you're using best practices. We've built strategies that have seen an increase in sales units and visits.
Thank you for watching and listening to this introductory video. We hope we have shown you what dunnhumby has to offer retailers who are passionate about improving their customer experience.